I'm not sure what happened to the footage, but to finish this up, all you need to do is either drill or melt you a hole in the side of it, and then tape the lid on and seal the rest of it up the best you can, also using the tape. And then when you're finished right here, this is where you want to blow into, and then the air will come out of here because it has nowhere else to go, and because of the balloon being on there, it creates a sound. We'll give it a test now and see how well it works. As you could hear, it sounds about like a Happy New Year horn or something like that, but it definitely will get someone's attention. And of course, you can make it basically out of things you have laying around your house. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Be sure to give it a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more, and remember, be ready.